Guys, I make a bolognese guys ha. First quick food is oil guys ha, oil. Ano finished oil, boil easy. And then I put onion. Yan guys ha, I make bolognese for pasta and lasagna. You see guys, coming golden brown and then put Habibi, put carrots. You see guys, carrots. Aywa, carrots. Yes. Yan guys, I make bolognese. Ako gumagawa niyan dito guys. Bolognese. You take the oil, put here, oil. Oil. Kami. Oil. Yes. I add oil guys. You see? Wala kasi kaming sarali. Meron itong salary. Salary is not available. Yan guys ha. Maggi, 15 pieces Maggi. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 pieces Maggi. Yan guys ha. Yan ang ilalagay ko. Tapos ayan guys, pakita ko lang yung ilalagay ko guys ha. Yan ang ingredients niya guys. Ito yung ingredients ha. Yan, oregano, basil leaves, and bay leaves. Yan yung ingredients ko guys ha, paggawa ng bolognese ha. Yan. Pag hindi pa eksakto yung ano, yung itong salt yan ang ilalagay ko. Lalagay pa ng salt. Yan. Yan ang ingredients kaya. Very easy to make ha. Golden brown coming guys. You see? I mix. Wow. You see? You see now? Golden. Oh, preparation again for buffet and Friday, guys. Wow. Tomato sauce guys ha. Ayan, ilalagay ko yan dyan. Saka itong tomato paste. Meron din siyang tomato paste ha. Ayan. Yan po, yan. Tapos tomato sauce. Yan yung ingredient guys. Ito naman yung aking 5 kilo of ground beef guys. Yan. 5 kilo of ground beef guys ha. Yan ang aking lulutuin yun para sa paggawa ng lasagna. I make lasagna. Yan guys ha. Ayan guys ha. Golden brown na siya guys. Diba golden brown. Nalalagay na natin yung meat. Yung meat guys ha. Kailangan natin. Ayan yung aking bolognese. How to make bolognese for lasagna and pasta. Now we put ground beef guys. Wow. You see? Wow. Oh, handsome. Ayun. Yes, guys. Ito na guys. Ay ano natin siya. Ayan guys ha. Yan na yung aking bolognese guys ha. Nilagay ko na. Ano natin siya. Now I put black pepper guys ha. Black pepper. Don't forget black pepper. I put basil. Chicken stock guys, you see? Chicken stock, 15 pieces chicken stock. Mix. Tomato paste ha? Guys, tomato paste. I put tomato paste ha guys. So guys, tomato paste ha guys. Tomato paste I put. Tomato paste. Yes, tomato paste. So guys, finish up tomato paste. You see? Wow. Mix. Basil. Basil lang guys. Oregano. Yan guys ha. All ingredients set ha. Yan guys. Yan ang bolognese ko. 8 kilo. Wow. Hi guys, thank you for watching ha. Maya ulit tayo guys. You see the picture? Change. Maybe had a 3 hours cooking. 3 hours cooking guys ha, you see? My bolognese. Oh. Wow. Yun lang kasimple gumawa ng bolognese guys ha. Kompleto na sa ano, tikim na lang tayo guys ha. So yan na guys yung aking kita mo naglabas na yung sabaw ng beef ha. Yan. Ayan guys, ready na siya guys. Lalagyan natin yung tomato sauce. Yan. Yan. Ayaw ha, tomato sauce now I put. Wow. You see, tomato sauce put now. Kalasa bibig. Wow. You see? Wow. Preparation now is good. Wow. You see my partner? Oh. Wow. Very handsome. Like me. Joke lang. Oh guys, you see? Yan guys. Lagay ko na yung tomato. Yan, meron na siya. 2 hours cooking. Yan na guys ha. Wow. You see guys? My bolognese. Oh, you see? You see? Oh. Wow guys. You see? At 2 hours cooking guys. 2 hours ha. 2 hours. You see that picture? Oh, very good. The for lasagna and pasta. You see? Now is I prepare for Friday event another buffet. Then guys, you see? Wow, I like it. I like it. And then two sandwich. Two burger. Hadapin niya sa bibi. Guys. Ayan guys ha. Ada? Wow. Wow. Yan na. Together. Make order and make preparation. Wow.
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 Wow. The price? Wow.
My pants, baby. God, yeah.
My assistant, very nice working. Wow, you see. Surah Habibi, Surah. Aywa. Together order and preparation. Cutting. Wow. You see? Cutting. You see the burger? I see inside, Habibi. Inside. Aywa, already cooking. Another one I see again.
Wow, mushroom Swiss burger.
Ah, good. Good. I see.
Hiwa.
You see?
Wow.
You see? Wow.
Suka. My video suka. Dakip.
Ay. You see?
Hot.
Rasanya guys. unahin natin ay Parmesan cheese on the top, guys. This is for serve. Parmesan. Little parsley, guys. And then, you see? Oh. Wow. Wow. Guys, barbecue is ready. You see the order now? All together. Wow. You see the barbecue? Preparation and service. You see the barbecue? Oh, ready guys, ha? Ganyan lang ang mga order dito, guys. Simple lang ang mga order. Preparation and ordering. Yan guys, ha? Wow. Finish? Wow. Another one? Wow. You see? Now is more busy, more preparation. More busy, more preparation. Naming order, ha? Lagyan ko siya ng counting cream. Yan. Ito yung stick namin, guys, ha? Wow. Soya salt and black pepper, guys. Po sa stick, guys, ha? Lagyan natin sa boiling water. And then put here with butter, ha? Yeah. Salt. And then salt, guys, ha? Little salt. Guys, tingnan nyo, ready na yung aking. Ready na siya, guys, ha? Yung sauce ng aking steak. Yan, guys, ha? Ready na ang sauce ng aking steak. Aywa. Oh, yes. Medium well, guys, ha? Guys, ready na yung aking steak, ha? Yan. Ready na ang steak ko, guys. Yan, guys. I prepare now the steak.
All expiration. Here, all the freezer, all the chiller. Hey,
All chili, ha?
all thing. Double check. Here expire, bro. Yalla, don't eat. Freezer. Anis, put your mask. بلدينا كمين يا مخباطي.
Papi daw, walang utak yung tawagin.
نعم. وانا ثلاجة كله كده. كله كده ثلاجة. ايوه انا جاي بدينا. Break the night, salam.
Lasagna. Lagyan ko na siya ng okay, sauce, guys. Yan, guys, ready na. Yan, guys. Oh. Wow. Guys, I remove some oil because more oil coming. You see, oil of beef, guys. You see the oil. I remove some oil. You see. I remove some oil, guys. More oil, I take it. Guys, this is the bolognese now coming. Tastes good and remove some oil, you see. Already na kalesa ka siya. So, already na yan. Guys, finish ha. Already cooked guys ha. Already cooked like this. Pero lang. Kalas guys, finish guys ha. Already cooked guys ha. Kalas. Bye bye guys.